Hi guys, David and David here from Payette4.com, and in this video we want to talk about a common issue iPhone 8 users are having. They're reporting that their iPhone 8 is making a static noise out of the earpiece speaker when they're making phone calls.
And there are a lot of little electronic components crammed into the top of your iPhone. And there was a similar issue with the iPhone 7 when that first came out, where iPhone 7 owners were reporting that when they made videos using their iPhone, they would hear a hissing sound, or when they played games, it would happen. Basically, it would happen whenever the iPhone CPU was revved up to 100%, and the electronics started to make noise. Apple fixed that issue with a software update, and so we suspect, although we can't confirm this, that Apple will fix the static issue.
Software update, iOS 11.1. Probably.
Sure. They released 0.01 today. They're always releasing
there's going to be a new update pretty soon, especially since iOS 11 was just released. There's going to be issues, and Apple's going to patch them up pretty quickly.
Yeah, and also you need to ask yourself, is this happening with just one person, or is it happening with everyone that I call? Because if it's just one person, then there's an issue with that person. So if you're calling a friend, and you're saying, hey, I need to borrow some money, and they're like, and you're hearing a static noise, maybe it's
not your phone. Maybe it's that you're annoying and they don't want to lend you any money, and they're pretending to have a static issue.
Right, and they're saying, oh, you really got that new iPhone 8, didn't you? You know, we got to break it up. So one of those two things.
Right, so situation A, check for a software update. Situation 2, look in the mirror. You might just be annoying, and your friends might be pretending to make static noises to get you off their backs. So thank you guys for watching this video about the iPhone 8 earpiece speaker static noise issue. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below if you have any other questions. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more iPhone videos.